Get ready for school. I'll be back when I'm done. Skip time. So I still have most day testing today. So I just finished my math one Friday. Today's Monday. So I look like a ghost right now. And blend, blend, blend. Okay, hi guys. Go watch the next video. Bye. Love you guys.